Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change portrait to landscape in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document, otherwise create new document. Now we can see here an existing document. Now we want to change this orientation to this existing document. Go to the file menu and click the document setup option, then go to the dimension option, and we can see here the orientation portrait and landscape. Now I am choose the landscape option and click OK. Then go back again the window menu and enable the pages option, and we can see here show the all page at once. Now we go to all page and check the page. Now we can see we change the orientation of this page portrait to landscape. You can make this new option, click this new option and create new page. Go to the page option and select this, then click create. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.